In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on Timely Booking. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set up Timely, manage appointments, and leverage its key features to efficiently run your business. So Timely is an appointment management software designed for service-based businesses like salons, spas, health clinics, and personal trainers. So let's dive right in. First, what is Timely? Timely is a cloud based booking platform that allows businesses to manage schedules, take online bookings, and send automated reminders to clients. It offers a user friendly interface and is tailored to improve customer experience and minimize admin tasks. So, with Timely, businesses can track appointments, payments, staff schedules, and customer information all in one place. It's perfect for businesses that rely heavily on client bookings and recurring appointments. So some key benefits of using Timely is it reduces no-shows. So automated reminders via SMS and email help minimize missed appointments. Also, it has a 24/7 online booking, so clients can book services anytime through your website or social media channels. Some key features is its client management system, so you can store and manage client contact information and booking history. Another key feature is its integrated payment processing. So you can accept payment through the platform or link with payment systems like Stripe. So now let's move on to setting up our account. So from here, just enter your email address and click on Start Free Trial. So now when you do that, you will now be redirected right here. So what services do you offer? You can either choose beauty, hair, spa or massage, health clinic, personal trainer, or general services. So in this video, I'm just going to select general services. So what type of general services business? Just select everything else. How many bookable staff? So you can just choose just me or how many staff do you have? So let's select to 7. Now add in your business name, phone number, your first name, last name, and your password. So now after filling all of those information, you will now be redirected to your dashboard. So as you can see, to get started, they'll guide you through adding your first appointment. So if you need anything, amazing people like Sally and Demi are here to help. So click on Let's Go. So from here, as you can see, we are now in our calendar. So let's say you have an appointment for October 24th, Thursday. Just select the time. So let's say 10 a.m. Click there and click on Add Appointment. And as you can see, click on Next, click on Next. So you can enter their first and last name right here, their mobile number, their email. You can select the service that will be in your appointment, and you can save it. So it says you can see right here for the service. So you can select short service, half day service, full day service. You can also select the person who is assigned for this appointment. So if you have other staff, you can select them and add them right here. You can also select the exact time and how many minutes this appointment will take. You can also add the price, say 10. And you can select right here if it's not started, arrived, started, completed, or did not show. And after that, just click on save. So there's other options right here or settings too, such as the recurrence, the address, and some booking notes. So that's how you can create your appointments. You can also say if you're busy in this hour, so let's say 11 a.m. you're busy, you can click on 11 a.m. and click add busy time. Let's just right here add the date of our time. So how many minutes you're going to be busy, who is the person who's going to be busy, and the description. So now let's move on to our dashboard. So right here in our dashboard, we'll just see this graphs. So basically, we'll see the performance of our business. We can see our sales right here, our reductions in the total. You scroll down, you can also see just this graphs and charts. So you'll see appointments, the average value, your clients, new clients, retained, rebooked, and this productivity graph right here. Next, let's move on to customers. So from here, you'll see all of your customers. So if you want to add a customer, simply click here on Add Customer. Now fill up all of this information and click on Save. So you can also add address for this customer, more info such as the gender, date of birth, referred by, alerts, and also add you can also edit the notification settings or appointment notifications, and of course add the photo for this client or customer so that you will remember your customer. So when you're done with all of this information, simply click on Save. So if you want, you can also import your customers by clicking right here, Import Customers. So first, you just need to follow the steps, download the template, fill in the template, test the file, and upload your file in Timely. So this is how you can add customers. You can also send them marketing email, as you can see. Now from here, just click on Get Started with MailChimp and customize your email marketing. Now let's move on to reports. As you can see from here, you will see a bunch of different reports, such as the executive summary report for the business performance section. They also have sales report for the financial report section and the stock reports right here and appointment reports, also client reports. So just freely explore all of these reports. Next is messages. From here, you'll see all of your sent messages. You can also see your SMS inbox. Next, let's go to sales. So from sales, you'll just see your invoices. You can create your own invoices, and you can search for gift vouchers. And here in the setup section, of course, you can set up your business details, locations, services, staff, resources, and also set up your stock, notifications, promote. And for the account, it's basically your login details, your billing, staff access, and SMS usage. So that's basically all there is to use Timely. So as you can see, it's really beginner or user friendly. Their dashboard is really user friendly. So just freely explore all about their features and you'll be using Timely in no time. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.